All right, so as you can see by looking around the classroom, this is yesterday and today is today, but I'm not here today, so this is, anyway. So today is the final day for your testing of the project, your airbags. So I've got everything set up exactly the way it was yesterday. Every station has a graduated cylinder, a scale, a calculator, a periodic table, a couple pipettes and some spoons, or a spoon, and a Chromebook. At least there should be some Chromebooks. If there is no Chromebook or no scale, share with each other or use your phone for the Chromebook part of the scale. You'll just need to share. So you'll go over and get your stuff, your supplies from your class's section on the vent hood and start working on it. So hopefully by this point you've done some calculations. And every day I've given you a little hint at the beginning and towards the end of class. Since I'm not there today, I'm going to go ahead and give you all the hints for today at the beginning of class. So when you walked in, you saw something on the projector, on the screen, and it's different than this. But let me kind of go through this. So this is what I showed you 2 days ago. I told you would need to use this. So if you have moles of something, you can convert it to grams by multiplying it by molar mass. So if you know the moles of carbon dioxide, and you know that however many moles of carbon dioxide is equal to moles of acetic acid or vinegar, or moles of baking soda, you can figure out how many grams you need. For the acetic acid, you're going to need to use this. Yesterday, I gave you the molarity calculations, as far as like you just had to do the calculation. And then I also gave you the PV equals nRT, the beginnings of it. You see that we have this formula. It's a balanced reaction. 5% acetic acid. Here's that molarity that I told you I gave you. And then here's the PV-nRT. The volume was something that you had to come up with, and the number of moles is something that you need to determine. And this was helpful for you. The molar mass of acetic acid, the molar mass of sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. So here's the last thing. If you look right up here, we have 1 quart should equal about 946.4 milliliters. Now your particular bag may have more than that. It may have less than that. You will have figured out that hopefully by now what the volume of your bag is. What is the desired volume? How much gas do you want in here? I don't know. You tell me. This is where your part comes in. This is where you and your group come up with this. So then you got the PV equals nRT, and when you rearrange it to figure out moles, it's N is equal to pressure times volume over R, the universal gas constant, times temperature. So your N will be your moles of carbon dioxide. How is that helpful? Well, if I know the moles of carbon dioxide, then I should be able to figure out the moles of acetic acid, and I should be able to figure out the moles of baking soda. Let's just talk about the sodium bicarbonate, the baking soda. If I know how many moles of baking soda I need, and I've been given the molar mass of the baking soda, I can figure out how many grams of baking soda I need. What about the vinegar? If molarity is moles over liters, we rearrange it. Liters of acetic acid is equal to moles over molarity. I might have some of that information that I just figured out. So, did I already give you this? You can figure this out. So, since I'm not here, and I don't want the sub to have to clean up a bunch of egg mess, we are going to use those ball bearing packets that I made for you. They are 50 grams approximately. Some of them are 51, 52. So practice on that. See if you get the desired results. When you get the desired result that you want, make sure you have those calculations written down and you know exactly what you need to do. Because first thing Friday, when we come into class, we're going to have you guys do a test in the back and see if it works. If it works, fantastic. We'll go straight to the test part. If it doesn't work, it gives you a chance while other people are testing to fine tune, okay? The goal is that by the end of Friday, we have tested your final version of your airbag, and hopefully we have saved the egg and rescued it. Don't forget about your written part, your 8x11 poster, pamphlet, brochure, all that kind of good stuff. So make sure you get that taken care of because that's due, as well as your packet is due on, I'm going to make it Monday. Well, yeah, Monday. And if you need more time on the paper part, you're going to need to talk to me in person on Friday. All right? Hopefully this helps you out. Have a great day, and I will see you on Friday.